guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm gonna share my top 5 favorite DIY natural face packs for this summer. So these face packs are great for tan removal, glowing skin, they are refreshing, hydrating, and they're also supposed to clear your face. Okay, so there are a few disclaimers. First, these face packs are great for all skin types until and unless you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. If you have oily skin, मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको moisturization की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, but because moisturization is important, so do not forget to skip that even if you have oily skin. For dry to combination skin type beauties, there are chances that you might have to moisturize your face heavily because of some ingredients, but of course I will be giving you some alternative ingredients as well. Now, foremost thing, please do a patch test before applying any face pack on your whole face, just to make sure that every ingredient is fine for your skin. And last, you might have to give 2 to 3 sittings to a specific face pack because nothing works instantly. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. Our first face pack is the mixture of curd, potato juice and fuller's earth. So for making this face pack, you have to take 2 teaspoons of curd, 2.5 teaspoons of potato juice and 1.5 teaspoons of fuller's earth. Generally, I don't really measure all the ingredients. I just eyeball them. Believe me guys, I'm not even kidding you. This face pack will give you instant glow and brightening effect. Hands down, this is the best face pack for tan removal. And the potato juice is great for lightening your acne marks and a great ingredient for reducing your hyperpigmentation. Next face pack is the mixture of coffee, honey and curd. So you just have to take 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of curd and mix it really well. If you are a dry skin beauty, then you can use milk instead of curd. This face pack is not only great for tan removal but also great for soothing your face. Coffee helps in reducing puffiness of your face and helps in reducing pigmentation. Honey lightens your acne marks and it hydrates your skin and brightens your skin. Next face pack is a mixture of cucumber juice and fuller's earth. Just take 1 to 2 teaspoons of fuller's earth and 2 to 3 teaspoons of cucumber juice and mix it really well. This face pack is so refreshing. I'm sure you will love to apply this face pack after a hectic day, especially in summers. This face pack is great for soothing sunburns, reduces puffiness of your face, reduces suntan and hydrates your skin very well. This face pack will tighten your pores and control excess oil. And guys, you have to believe me, this face pack gives you instant nice glow on your face. You have to try this out. Next face pack is a mixture of honey, rice and curd. Take equal portions of honey, rice powder or rice flour and curd. If you want to use milk instead of curd, obviously you can, and mix it really well. For dry skin beauties, you have to moisturize your face heavily after washing this face pack because this face pack can dry out your skin even more. Nonetheless, this face pack is great for controlling excess oil, great for reducing sun tanning, and will make your skin firm and tightens your pores, and it also acts as a nice exfoliator. This face pack will help in reducing acne and zits as well. Last but not the least, this face pack is a mixture of sandalwood powder, lemon juice and curd. If you have dry skin, then you can substitute lemon juice with honey. For making this face pack, you have to take 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, few drops of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of curd and mix it really well. This face pack is so relaxing and calming. The fragrance of sandalwood powder literally refreshes your mind. Again, this face pack helps in reducing suntan, especially helps in reducing hyperpigmentation, lightens your acne marks. This face pack will give you instant glow on your face and brightens your skin as well. So yes guys, these were my top 5 favorite DIY natural face packs for summers. I hope I was able to help you guys. Do try these face packs and let me know in the comment section below whether you liked it or not. Also subscribe to my channel for makeup, skincare and review related videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.